Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background in CapCut. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the CapCut app and select your video. Go to Format and select the video format larger than your current one. Pinch the original video to adjust to the new background. You can also drag it to wherever you like. Now go to Canvas and tap Background. You can choose the shown templates. Or add an image from your device. And that's how you add background in CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.